has the sneaker market crashed? Let's talk about it. First of all, let's look at the cost of living in the first place right now. House bills are up, crypto's down, overall cost of living is up, and sneaker resale prices are overall down. What has happened? Well, let's rewind it. And let's rewind it all the way back to 2 years ago, where the start of coronavirus hit. Now, this was not a good place for anyone, or a good time for anyone. But what it did introduce is a lot of different things, especially for online businesses. We saw an app by the name of TikTok, as much as I hate the app, make many new celebrities, and we saw a massive influx into the sneaker reselling market. That includes everyone wanting to buy the latest sneakers, and also many people wanting to start reselling. Sneaker reselling was at its peak. Releases were happening near enough every week, hundreds upon thousands of profits were being made. It was an overall massive high of the sneaker market. And with every high of a market, there is a low. And that's where the real low hit, about 2 months ago in my opinion. And we saw a lot of YouTube videos being made. Is the sneaker market dead? Has the sneaker market been crashed? We've seen sneakers such as Yeezys go from people queuing 12 hours to people going into the stores and they've been sitting on the shelves. Yeezy Zebras, Yeezy Core Blacks, Yeezy 350 Turtle Doves. We saw some of these prices change from literal thousands of pounds all the way into a couple £100. And this was the real low of the sneaker market. But this does not mean sneaker reselling has died. This does not mean there's no money to be made. Is sneaker reselling still a possible source of a side income? Yes. Is sneaker reselling the same as it was before? No. Is the sneaker market less profitable than it was before? Now that is up for debate. Me personally, at this point in time, I am actually making more money than ever sneaker reselling, but that's because I'm focusing on different things to do with the market. The sneaker market has changed. However, there's also a lot of positives and a lot of factors that people still don't take into consideration. From the month of May and a couple months after that, we had loads of fire different releases. Let's just look behind me. Jordan 4 Military Blacks, over £150 profit. Jordan 4 Blank Canvases, over £50 profit. Jordan 4 Infrareds, over £20 profit. Yeezy Slide Onyx, again, with over £25 profit with only a £60 retail. Jordan 1 Stage Haze, again, another easy £20 to £30 profit. And that's not even including all the Travis collabs we've had. We've had 2 pairs of Air Maxes, and we've also had a reverse low mocha, which the reverse low mocha was securing over £1,000 profit. The sneaker market is not dead at all. It has just simply changed. What can you do now to ensure that you're still making money sneaker reselling and it's still a viable side income? Well, it's a lot different from now when you used to be able to pick up reselling, enter a couple entries, hit a bit of luck on hitting a couple £100 resell. Times now have changed to, in my opinion, where building a brand, building a social media, putting time into building up your brand and company is a lot more important than just spamming loads of entries into different sites. Let's put it this way. If you have a good social media client base, or you have your own shop, you have built a reputation from building clients, you're going to be able to sell these shoes for £50 above the StockX market. For example, Yeezy Slides, if they go for about £85 on StockX, you'll be able to sell these for around the £120 mark, which is actually the equivalent of selling 2 or 3 pairs if you're going to sell them at StockX. With every low in sneaker reselling, there is a high. And I wouldn't say the sneaker market is at its peak right now, but I also would not say it's on its lowest. In my opinion, the sneaker reselling is now growing again from being at the rock bottom around 2 months ago, in my opinion. Again, this is my opinion. With Christmas coming up soon, I do believe a big influx in the sneaker reselling profit margins to be made within the next couple months. So, like I said, I do believe it's more now about building a brand and a company rather than just waking up at 8 AM and entering a couple raffles. Don't get me wrong, you can still make a lot of money reselling. Being in a good group is one of the most important things ever. I still run a very successful cook group that I'm teaching over 200 people how to start sneaker reselling. Every single day we're getting new success of members making more and more profit. If the sneaker market was dead, members would not be able to make profit. I've had members in my group make thousands. And at the end of the day, I'm still making a lot of money from reselling shoes behind me, as you can see right now. Things may not be as easy as it was at the start of lockdown, but we're never going to get another lockdown again. Do I see sneaker reselling hitting the peak of a lockdown again? No. However, do I see a good increase in the sneaker market than it is currently now? Very, very much so in the next couple months. But what has caused this downfall in sneaker reselling? Well, the cost of living is up. People have better things to spend their money on, and I'm not saying this in a bad way, but during lockdown, some people got a bit of further money that they like to spend on their luxuries. They also had nothing else to spend their money on. A lot of negativity has come to the sneaker reselling scene in the last couple months. We have Kanye slating Adidas, we've had Nike transits being broken into, we've had massive backdoor scams, we've had a lot of sneaker resale cook groups close in the past. The recent controversy hasn't really given a good name for the sneaker reselling business. But things will change, and sneaker reselling is always adapting and always changing to the next loop. Yes, I'll be honest with you, Yeezy 50s are pretty dead now. However, we never had Yeezy slides, we never had Yeezy foam runners 2 years ago that were making this amount. We had a peak of Jordan 4s not too long ago, around a year ago now. Jordan 4s were the most hyped thing. Jordan 4s now are still very profitable, but nowhere near as profitable as what they used to be. We had the Jordan 4 infrareds come out recently, and they're only making around £40 to £50 profit. If they released around the same time as the University Blue Jordan 4s, you're talking a lot more profit there. And another big factor, Nike stock bringing in upcoming releases. There was a lot of news about this, and Nike was struggling to produce the amount of pairs over the last 4 months, having a lot of stock issues, which did actually affect the upcoming releases. We saw a lot of retailers struggling to get the stock, which overall just decreased the hype for the game. Now, we are definitely in an uprise. Just over the last couple months, we've had some massive releases, and sneaker reselling is on the high. Is it too late to start learning to sneaker resell? Hell no, guys. Get yourself into my group, KaiKicks Apprentice, where we teach you everything you need to know about sneaker reselling, and we can guide you, support you, and help you make that side income. Even if you work, even if you're at school, we have everything you need. Ranging from monitors, stock numbers, support, botting help, manual help. We're here for everyone. If you are interested in joining, top link down description. What do you guys think of the sneaker market? Are you making more money than ever? Or have you seen the negative impact recently? Let me know down in the comments, guys. I'm open for discussion. I hope you have enjoyed today's video, and remember to like, comment and subscribe to the channel. Let me know your thoughts down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, guys.